Police are probing the death of a 3-year-old boy in Spanish Town. Unidentified man's body found floating in Rio Cobre. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The Spanish Town police are probing the death of a 3-year-old boy who died after being shot while at home in Ebonyville, St. Catherine on Sunday. The licensed firearm of the child's father, who is a businessman, has been seized by the police as a part of the investigation. Dead is 3-year-old Rajon Anthony Hines. It is reported that about 1:30 p.m., the father of the deceased returned home from church and reportedly placed his licensed Smith & Wesson 9mm pistol under a couch inside the house. The businessman reportedly went outside to dispose of garbage in a truck which had arrived when he heard a loud explosion. He rushed back inside the house when the child was observed in his mother's hands, bleeding from a wound to the head. The child was rushed to the Spanish Town Hospital, where he succumbed to his injuries. The Spanish Town police have seized the weapon in question while the investigation continues. The Spanish Town police are trying to ascertain the identity of a man whose body was found floating in the Rio Cobre in St. Catherine on Tuesday. It is reported that the body was spotted by passerby about 4 p.m. in the vicinity of Dempshire Pen. Police personnel from the Spanish Town police station went to the scene. They stated that the partially nude body was clad in a white t-shirt. Fire personnel were summoned and the body was removed to the Archer's funeral home. The police are awaiting a post-mortem examination to determine the cause of death.